First thing is understand where you are in the journey. So are you transitioning from pre-print into print and apply inline printing? Because that is at point of sale. Traditionally, it's been the EAN 13. So most times it's a pre-printed barcode. So understanding the journey from pre-print to inline printing to do the 2D barcode is a really important step. The company understands that transition, and importantly, the steps to successfully transition, I think, is the key. Working with the experts to ensure that transition is sustainable is the key. So the recommendation is, absolutely talk with your preferred print suppliers and engage with them in conversations about the technologies that are available that are best suited to them, and more importantly, the technology that's wrapped around on the production line to ensure the right code gets on the right product at the right time. The opportunity is the data that's embedded in the 2D. So one of the things that's driving the 2D evolution at point of sale is the need for more data. So at point of sale, the ability to capture use by date and batch information is a big key to reducing recalls, to eliminating food waste, and the opportunity to take that information and not just for point of sale, but use it within your own four walls. So when that information is produced, to have better visibility on your own production lines in your own warehousing as to the exact information. So the information that's presented can be used both internally as well as through the supply chain and ultimately at point of sale for all of the benefits of the supplier, the retailer, and equally important, the consumer. The type of product, the type of packaging, and all the variables that go into the product itself very much come into play in terms of picking the right technology, the right print technology for the inline printing of the 2D barcode. Equally important is the software now, because you're going from a pre-printed label potentially to an inline printed 2D barcode. You've got to look at how are the operators changing their SKUs, selecting the right information, because the last thing any supplier would want is the wrong code on the wrong product. The validation systems that are wrapped around that to ensure the code is of a good quality and consistent quality, so that it limits the issues that you have at scanning at point of sale. Talk with the experts, talk with the preferred printing partners of choice, and they can guide you through that process. I think the opportunity with 2D barcodes is they're here now. We're seeing it rolling out in Australian retail. The momentum is growing. The evolution is here at point of sale. The opportunity is to speak to GS1 and really engage now, especially if you're in fresh produce. Talk to the retailers, talk to GS1, talk to your preferred printing partners of choice, because if you're certainly in fresh food, it is coming.